they say blogging don't work, blogging still works. It's about how you structure your post. It's not like blogging like we used to do it back in the day. The word blogging is still works. It's just the way we do it changed. So the word is still blogging, but we just do it a different way now. We using Chat GPT to write our blogs. We doing all this type of extra stuff to make it go faster, and we ranking a lot better. You know what I mean? Like I done ranked some stuff, and then when you first start this stuff, the stuff that we used to do back in the day to try to get everything going, it's so much easier now. We used to have to do everything the manual way. Like everything I did when I first learned how to do internet, anything, I was using Photoshop and all this type of stuff where you have to really do everything. You have to learn this stuff. People using Canva now. I don't even know how to use Canva that good because Canva is it's for the newbies, but it's a way for people to do things as a newbie that we had to learn from scratch. And so I don't even know how to use Canva that good. I can't teach people how to use Canva because I had to learn from Photoshop. So now the time is so much easier. We really don't have these excuses not to be making no money on this internet. You know what I mean? Like we don't have no excuses because it's too easy. I still use Photoshop. I still got my Canva app. I still pay for Canva every month. I came up with all these different softwares that all you have to do is invest in it, or some of the stuff is free. All you have to do is get on there and be willing to learn it for yourself. And you can put this stuff out there and be making so much money, even if it ain't so much money, some extra money. It don't have to be so much money. You don't have to be looking to make $100,000 a month to start off. You could be looking to make an extra $5,000 a month, an extra $2,000 a month, just so you can prove your concept, and then you can be able to grow from that. Because you already know I don't just do collabs. I don't just do these things. These things is disposable headbands. I don't just do reviews on this type of stuff, but they do work, and I really actually like these. I'm actually happy I got these. These are disposable headbands. These are for women to wear on their hair when you're doing your makeup routine or you doing your face wash and all that. You put this on your head, and then it holds your hair all out your way so you can just be doing your face wash. All that stuff. These people sending me this stuff. They sending me this stuff to get my opinion on it and to do a video for them. I ain't paying for nothing. I'm not losing nothing. So all I can do is win and gain because they sending me the stuff. Now they paying me to say my opinion of it, but if I don't like it, I know what they're gonna send me before they send it to me. So if I don't like it, I don't even accept it. No, I ain't gonna be able to do that because I don't want to do no review on it. I'm not going to accept something I don't like just because they got a budget. I'm not going to do it because if I don't like it, I'm going to have to end up saying it. So you just stick to what you believe in and being your integrity and doing stuff, not doing it for the money, but knowing that money going to come with it. Money comes with it when you do what's right. So it ain't no way you can't make money. Well, it is a way you can't. If you don't do nothing, you can't. You can't make nothing if you don't do nothing. And just start. You got content. You got stuff around your house that you can start creating videos about. And then when you upload it, you got the possibility of a chance to make a sale from it because somebody else may need it if you just talk about it the right way. If you talk about this thing the way it needs to be talked about and you show people how this thing really works and how it helps. I done stuck this thing on everything. I done stuck it on the wall. I done stuck it on and then you just put your phone to it and then you can hold it downward like this when you doing stuff down here. You can hold it. When you show people how it works and people see that, they gonna order through your link. Then when they order through your link, now you done got a free product. Now you getting paid. You talk about it for about 15 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever. And then, or however long it take to talk about the product. And then you turn around and make sales, depending on your commission. Sometimes they offer 10% commission on TikTok. Sometimes they offer 20%. Because they see your numbers already. They see that you can produce. So they want to pay you a little bit more percentage on every sale because they know that your videos, if you just do a video, it has a possibility of converting. And so if it have a possibility of converting, then guess what they're going to do after that? They're going to see your video is making some sales. Guess what they're going to do? They're going to turn around and say, send us your ad code so we can run some ads behind your video. They're going to put their own money to the video that you done made. You don't even have to put your own money behind it. They're going to put their money behind it. And then because they can see that it converts. If you create a video and it don't convert, the company is not going to put money behind a video that ain't making sales for free. If you can't make sales for free, you're not going to be able to make sales when they put the budget behind it. So you have to be able to make sales initially. Make a few sales to show the company that your video is worth them putting their money behind. Now they're gonna put $100 a day behind your video. Guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna your 20-something%, they make $5, $6, $7, whatever your commission is. It might be $5 a pop. Every time you selling this bad boy, you get $5. Now I don't know what the commission thing on this one because I ain't looking right now, but whatever it is, spin scrubbers got me $7 a pop. You know what I mean? I'm keep going back to because that was the most viral video I ever had. It got me like 1-something million views, 1.9 or something like that, 1-point-something million views. And then I had did another video. Every time you make something and it actually converts, when you make a video and your video make one sale, go on and make another video. Don't even wait. What you waiting on? Make another video just like that, not just like that one, but showcasing the same thing again. Make another video. And then when people start commenting on your video, every time they comment on your video, you make a video and reply with a video. Don't reply talking, texting, typing. Don't do a reply with a video talking about this thing again, because you only gonna be viral if you ever get viral, or if something ever happened, they put some money behind your video. That stuff only gonna last for a few months, and then that's gonna go down. Something else gonna come up. It's just like a roller coaster. But when you realize it is a roller coaster, you just jump on that ride. So you jump on that ride and ride that roller coaster on out. When you start really doing this stuff, it ain't about the views. It's about what you connected to. So even if you connected to something that's selling, it might not be selling, but other companies are seeing your videos. Eventually, other companies gonna start seeing your videos, and they gonna start offering you products, and they gonna be like, would you take this product to do a review about? I just got one for this big old. I gotta show the video. I'm gonna do another video showing the actual offer. I didn't accept the offer yet because I'm trying to figure out if I should accept it or not. But because I don't like putting stuff together. It's a big old, like a TV stand, but it got a fireplace in it. It's a big old TV stand, a long TV stand, and it got a fireplace in it, the bookshelves in it. And I really don't know if I want to accept it because I don't like putting stuff together. Like, I'm not running around no hammer and nails trying to put stuff together. But if I was a person to put stuff together, that's something that I would want, because that TV stand is really, really nice. Got the little fireplace in it, like the electric fireplace and all that. When you start really cranking out your videos and putting this stuff up here, when you start putting your content out, it might not convert off top, but other people are watching. It's not everything ain't about like making money from that particular thing. Sometimes you can do something that'll lead you to some money another way. So you be doing one thing, and then other people see you doing that one thing, and then they decide they want to. They always send me stuff like that you have to put together sometimes. It be ceiling fans, sometimes it be all type of lights and all good stuff. It be good stuff. Sometimes it be expensive stuff, but it's just that me, I don't like putting it together. I like to take the little stuff that I ain't got to do. I don't like to work real hard, and I ain't no handyman. I don't know how to put nothing together, so I ain't finna be taking all of this stuff. But you gotta think about it. I might start, if I start getting enough stuff in the same month that allows me to put stuff together, I might start taking this stuff, because stuff be nice. But these collab deals, I be talking about these collab deals all the time. They don't sound like much, but those jokers hold you over. Those jokers, that's your lunch money, that's your snack money, that's your Chinese food. We just ordered Chinese yesterday. Your Subway money, that's your shopping. You want to buy a few little t-shirts, you want to buy some, you know what I mean? That's a light bill, that's the dang cable bill, that's some extra money with the collabs. On top of you getting the stuff for free, so you got to add that up. You getting your stuff for free, but you have to be able to put this content out. So you have to be able to put this content out so that the brands can see your content. When you start tagging it the right way and putting it out there and have your channel going the right way, these companies see you. A lot of companies email me from my other channels. My other channel, I only have 19 subscribers on the other channel. The other channel gets so many, every day I'm getting collab. I got 19 subscribers over there. So you be thinking that you have to have a lot of subscribers to make a lot of money. You don't. And so these people, sometimes they want to pay you cash, to do the video. And sometimes they don't want to pay you cash. They want to do gifted. They want to just send you stuff. Some of them gonna send you stuff and pay you cash. They have to send you the stuff in order to pay you. I mean, in order for you to do the video. So you're gonna get the stuff anyway. Some don't have a budget, but some do. It's your choice to decide if you want to accept the gifted or just do paid only. I do both. You know what I mean? I do gifted and paid. I just decide every time something comes through. I just make a decision on if I want it or not.